our last team that signed up, Jimmy, Cody, and to be determined.
TBD.
Who's the third one? Jimmy, raise your hand. Jimmy, raise your hand. Cody, raise your hand. Who's TBD? Jordan. All right.
Jordan.
You guys ready? Ready? Are you ready? Yeah. One, two, three, go.
Right there.
Well, he didn't have the gun in his hand, so
Yeah, I know.
off to a good start. Loose tire.
Went behind that line without a grab.
Time to beat 44.01.
That's the strategy that they used before, one of the teams.
38.65.
Oh, there's our fast time. By a considerable margin. By like 6 seconds, right,
That
Adam?
was fast. The prior fastest time, 44.01.
So there's our new time to beat right there.
So 6 seconds right there, the difference.
That was big. So having one guy with a gun looks to be the way to go.
And that is the end of the regular sign-ups that I had on my list.
So they're the winners.
Does anybody want to enter before we go? Anybody?